What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 7 tips for rebuilding credit after a financial hardship. Financial hardship can happen to anyone and it can take a toll on your credit score. But the good news is that it's possible to rebuild your credit after a setback. Here are some tips to help you get back on track. Review your credit report. Before you start rebuilding your credit, you'll want to take a look at your credit report. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Review your report for any errors and dispute any inaccuracies with the credit bureau. Make a budget. After a financial hardship, it's important to create a budget that allows you to live within your means. This will help you avoid falling into debt again and will also show lenders that you're capable of managing your finances. Pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a major negative impact on your credit score. Set reminders for when bills are due and make sure you pay them on time. Use credit responsibly. After a financial hardship, you may be hesitant to use credit again. But, in order to rebuild your credit, you'll need to start using credit responsibly. Start with a secured credit card, which requires a deposit and is easy to get approved for. Use it responsibly and make sure you pay it off on time. Consider a credit builder loan. Credit builder loans are designed to help people rebuild their credit. They typically have small amounts, low interest rates, and the payments are reported to the credit bureaus. Be patient. Rebuilding your credit takes time. It's important to be patient and not get discouraged if you don't see an immediate improvement. Keep working on it and eventually, you'll see your score start to improve. Get credit counseling. If you're struggling to rebuild your credit, a credit counseling service can help you create a plan to get back on track. They can help you understand your credit report, create a budget, and offer advice on how to improve your credit score. Rebuilding your credit after a financial hardship can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. By reviewing your credit report, creating a budget, paying your bills on time, using credit responsibly, and being patient, you can take steps to improve your credit score. With persistence and dedication, you can regain control of your financial future. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.